Chuf Chuf, when he comes to the UK, he carries out gatherings which are attended by hundreds of people who are vulnerable, and claims by standing up he will blow down the microphone and people will be cured. This, of course, is a scam. He is scamming the people and misguiding the people. The cure for the ailments of people is found in two things. One is medicine, that people need to resort to medicine. Medicine is from the Sunnah of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And secondly is the Shifa found in Al-Quran Al-Kareem and the Sunnah of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, as I mentioned earlier, Al-Mu'awwidhatayn, Surah Al-Falaq and Surah Al-Nas, Ayatul Kursi, but also simple remedies like the eating of ajwa, the drinking of zamzam water,